Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode of Barber Metros. Guys, in this video you will find the most beautiful and flawless haircut transformation. So don't skip this video, watch this video because you will get the right haircut idea for you. And we are starting with the taper fade, and this haircut inspired by the 360 Jay-Z, and this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation. Oh my gosh, look at this sharp shape of line, and look at this C cup, and this looks so precise, and that was flawless haircut transformation. Oh, he got spicy transformation. We got another wolf chops transformation, and that was real quick transformation. And this guy just got amazing shape of line with beard fade. Yeah, bro, he got perfect low tapper with shape of line. And we got another wolf chops transformation, and this is gonna be a most beautiful and satisfying haircut transformation. This haircut is also inspired by the 360 Jay-Z. That man got amazing skills. He's the GOAT. Yes, sir. Look at this one. The mid fade and with threads on the top, and that was sharp. I don't know why, but this guy looks like Mbappe. What would you say? His haircut is exactly the Mbappe. Okay, we got another 360 wave transformation, and this haircut transformation also inspired by the 360 Jay-Z, and this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation ever. Damn. That was sharp. And this is gonna be a step-by-step shape of line transformation. Yeah, that was perfect shape of line with high taper fade. This video should have title of wolf chops transformation, because we have lots of clips of wolf chops transformation, but finally we got another curly chops, and let's see what gonna happen. Bam! He got some sophisticated transformation. Anyways, we are moving to another masterpiece of 360 Jay-Z. Wow, that was blended. That was literally blended. Oh my gosh. Yes, you can book your appointment with this barber if you are luckily located in North Florida. Yes, you can book your appointment because I will mention this barber in my description box. If you are Lauren Mallon, you can also book your appointment. Wow, that was classic mid fade with short skull on the top. That's fine. It looks so natural. There is no enhancement for the first part of that haircut is there was no enhancement work and I love the natural hairline. Okay, my bro got some spiced. His barber just sauced his life up and that guy is a little bit confused. I don't know why, but this haircut was looking so fresh. We have another quick buzz cut with mid fade, and it looks so unnatural, but let it go. Okay, we got another chops transformation, and this is gonna be a sharpest haircut of the day. Here we go. Bam! That type of enhancement work is worth it because this guy just got most beautiful skin fit with perfect shape of line. Damn! Oh my gosh, it looks so fresh, it looks so sharp. Anyways, we got another wolf chops transformation, and this bar will also doing some enhancement work. And here is the final product. I hope you had enjoying all of this haircut transformation. No matter you got that type of hair or not, but these haircuts are really satisfying and it's really worth to watch it. Wow. Anyways, we are moving the next one, and this guy literally got kinky afro, and the tapper fade is the right haircut idea to choose with your kinky afro, and that guy got perfect high temp fade, and it looks pretty handsome. Anyways, this is gonna be last haircut transformation, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.